Okay, I'm going to split the case. That's the 5910-893-2408. Adapter. And you just screw the adapter all the way down on the crank. You want to snug these because you want it flat through there. Okay, now I'm turning it with this. That's out of the camera range, so you can just imagine me oh, and a little background. Of course, there were 6 screws holding it together, and the pins I remove after I build it, so that I don't have to remember to remove them now. Because if you don't remove the pins, it'll break the case. So. There she goes. There we go. Okay, just let me say something. I whacked that crank out because I'm replacing the bearing, and I couldn't get the seal out. So the easiest thing for me to do, I mean, the crank was no good, so I just whacked it out. Didn't hurt anything. You know, I don't want anybody to, you know, getting a tizzy over it. I had a plan, and I'm comfortable with it. Those tools are super helpful. Oops. Now I think that's the problem, but we're going to see with that in the flywheel. All right, yay! I got to let that drain out. That's going to make a mess.